So I purchased these hex keys from RGX Hobby, RGX Carbon, and yeah, RGX Hobby, and you see RGX Carbon here. So these hexagonal keys look very quality and sharp. I haven't tried it yet though, so can't say if it will be holding and working well for a long time. But what I was impressed in this holder, which looks 3D printed, and from the bottom it seems 3D printed, from the sides I see layers, and at the top also you can see layers. Everything seems 3D printed, so I couldn't resist, and I have cut those part, like one side, to see if it actually has been 3D printed. And I see the infill isn't 100%, so it can't be molded because it would be full inside. So I'm impressed that someone is like selling tools but 3D printing holders for them. So I'm positively impressed how 3D printing is being used in manufacturing and packing tools for the customers. Yeah, so hex set 4 items was in this list, in this package. And by the way, box is also seems quality, so I'm very excited about these tools. Seems it's going to be very good. And these are yeah, this is how inside looks like.